just like the effect tracking. Thank you very much. I want to subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Fitness Tech Solutions, and today I'm going to teach you how to pull out effect tracking. In the last video, we were able to pull out the effect on motion tracking, but now we are going to be doing effect tracking. Let's get along. Now I got a short video footage of a girl with a face. Actually, everybody has a face. I just got a video to show the face. Like in the last video, like I said, we're able to pull out motion tracking, but now we're going to be doing this with elements, with effects, not elements. Last one we use elements, but now we're going to do using it with effects. And the one people usually want to use it for effect is mosaic. I can see now it doesn't follow the face throughout. As someone just bouncing, it doesn't follow the face. So I'm going to teach you on how to pull out these effects, effect tracking in Filmora 10. Okay, first of all, like we did in the last video, we click on the footage, come over to this place and track the face. Let's track the face. Then start tracking. Okay, we have been able to track everything throughout the video. We have been able to track our face, all the movements and the rest. So now, if I just try to bring this mosaic to here, okay, it doesn't cover it, it doesn't track it, and I'm going to show you how to get about it to make the mosaic being tracked. First of all, what I want you to do is to take a snapshot of the effect on the face. Okay, now we just take the snapshot. For you to see the snapshot, okay, the snapshot is over here. You can drag to the timeline. Then for us to get this motion tracking, you can just say crop. That'll be Alt plus C, give a crop, or you right click on it. And I'm just going to crop it where the mosaic ends, where the mosaic is. You can crop it anyhow. Just crop it. Now we need to crop it out. So let me just you put delete, then bring this over here. For us to pull out this effect, you just have to resize this thing and let it fit into the face. Okay, we come back to our footage, then put snapshot 16. Okay, it's putting the whole photo, but you can do something about the photo. Alt plus Alt C. The reason why it's doing like this is that within when we cropped it within snapshot it. So let's just do the cropping back again. Okay, now I'm going to crop this one out. I'll be Alt plus C. And okay. Now I got it in full screen. What you're going to do now is going to take a snapshot of it again. So you're already taking a snapshot of it, and we just have to drag it into here. Delete this one, then extend it throughout to the end of the video. Then you resize it to fit in the face. Okay, then come to the footage again, then snapshot 17. You put it over it so to know that it's snapshot 17 you want to. You put the snapshot 17 over it because we want the tracker to take the snapshot 17 and cover the face. Now let's see how it does. It's perfect, works perfectly, just like the motion tracking. Long ago, even before Filmora 10 came out, motion tracking was in Filmora 9, but not many people noticed it, and I call it the face off. I call it the face off. Instead of doing this effect tracking, though effect tracking is more efficient than face off, I'm going to show you how to just rip out the face off instead of using the effect tracking. So you just have to come over here, go to the effects tab, then look for face off. Okay, this is it here. So it blurs the face anytime it comes into content. It could not really detect the face of this woman as she turned, but once it can detect the face, it's going to blur it. Now let's say I was going to perform for this. It's doing the same work, but it's not smooth. It's just kind of shifting. Not like the other one that works smoothly. And I can kind of see her face here. I can see her face now. So it's not as efficient as effect tracking, but effect tracking is the best. So we can actually put something in place of that face off, just like the effect tracking. So many elements to choose from. Thank you very much. I want to subscribe to this channel. If you don't know how to carry out the motion tracking effect in Filmora 10, check it in the description below. You're gonna see it there.